Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Nā Huaʻōlelo ka Malama, the Hawaiian words of the month. We are still dealing with our theme of refuge, protection, and safety, Puʻuhonua. Our word today is Hoʻomaluhia. Maluhia is the root word meaning peace, peaceful condition. Ho'o, to cause to. So our meaning is to cause to give peace, protection, or to arbitrate. Our sentence for today is no ke kōkua ana mai a ke aupuni ua hoʻomaluhia ia na ohana a pau. Meaning, due to the kokua or help of the government, all of our families were brought to peace. Another one of those reassuring words that we have during this time of pandemic. From all of us in Partners Development Foundation, we wish you safety and a fond aloha. E ola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi.